doTERRA's frankincense essential oil is so unique, more than any other oil you can find on the market, and this is why. doTERRA's frankincense essential oil is known as the king of the oils, and with good reason. When in doubt, you can reach for frankincense. Now, doTERRA's frankincense is so unique. It's because it's made with 3 different Boswellia species. Each of these species contains unique characteristics and components that when they're combined together, they produce the world's finest therapeutic grade essential oil. After farmers harvest the tears from the trees, the women go through and hand grade the resin by color, size, and cleanliness. Now, doTERRA only takes the highest grade of resin. The rest goes to everyone else. Know that when you use a doTERRA frankincense, you are not only getting the best possible grade of essential oil out there, but you're also helping families. And you're helping these women provide for their families and make a fair living wage for themselves. This oil is great at supporting healthy inflammation in the body. It helps with cellular function. When breathed in, it helps promote feelings of relaxation. It helps reduce the appearance of skin imperfections when applied to the skin. And frankincense supports healthy immune, nervous, and digestive function when taken internally. Make sure to check out my frankincense video and the top uses so you can start using it at home.